Trying to get the adhesive goo from duct tape or a sticker off of your phone or anything is tough. There's all kinds of nasty solvents that'll do it, but how about something a little more friendly? Olive oil works as good as anything else. If you take some toilet paper and just put a little olive oil onto this, you'll see how fast this goo comes off. In fact, you'd be surprised what olive oil will remove. If you've been working with latex paint or oil paint, it'll remove dry paint right from your hands. So just keep rubbing the olive oil onto the adhesive and you'll start to see and feel the adhesive come off. So next time you have a tough job that you need to get cleaned up, try something a little less aggressive, but just as effective. Olive oil leaves your hands nice and soft rather than turpentine or acetone or kerosene. Gasoline smells really bad. Olive oil is definitely the first place to start. At least Goo Gone smells good, but it's expensive. Before long, you'll start to see a clean phone and that adhesive gone. I was so surprised when somebody showed me this. I was like, come on, how can olive oil be as good as gasoline? Try it for yourself. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.